Hey everybody, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. So we are here at the lake today and we brought all our boats so we can actually go out and play. So what we got here is two Blackjack 42. So this one and this one, this is mine, this is Darren. They are 42 inch. Then we have over here the Miss Gago, it's 38 inches. Then we have over here the UL 19 is, what is the UL 19, 29 or 32?
This is 30 inch and that's 29.
30 inch. And then we got here the Valles, it's 29 inch. And then we have this super cool tag boat. So it was a little bit windy today, but look how calm the water is right now. It's super cool. So watch the video all the way to the end because we're gonna run all those boats. It's actually 5 o'clock right now in the evening, so it's really cool. Okay, let's do some speed testing. Camera is on. Let's see what's going on.